oral presentation gives you an opportunity to present a summary of your findings on a research question. Instructors may assign oral presentations so that students engage with the topic and learn to reduce their findings to fit within the time constraints of the oral presentation. In addition, these assignments allow you to become a more confident and organized speaker. Although such an assignment can be overwhelming, breaking it down into steps can help turn this project into a rewarding experience. The main purpose of an oral presentation is to present subject content in an organized, concise, and effective manner to a live audience. When delivering an oral presentation, certain challenges require ingenious techniques to engage in an impromptu interaction with the audience members. Understanding the purpose of your presentation, knowing your audience, being organized in your delivery, and keeping it simple will contribute to a successful presentation. Fear of public speaking is not so much related to the quality of a speech as it is to how the speaker feels, thinks, or acts when faced with speaking in public. This fear often arises when people overestimate the stakes of communicating their ideas in front of others, viewing the speaking event as a potential threat to their credibility, image, and chance to reach an audience. Fear of public speaking affects up to 75% of the population. There are common reasons for speakers' nervousness: fear of being stared at, fear of failure or rejection, fear of the unknown, a traumatic experience in the past, and social anxiety. Preparation is the key to a good presentation. Follow these steps when preparing your oral presentation. Determine the overall purpose. There are many reasons for giving a presentation, including to inform, educate, entertain, inspire, and convince. Once you know the purpose of your presentation, you can determine the structure, topic, and method of delivery that will best achieve your purpose. Analyze the audience and the situation. Every audience is different, and in order to ensure success, you should always consider what your potential audience will be like and what their expectations will be. Failure to address the needs and level of interest and understanding of an audience can hinder your presentation. If you do not have personal knowledge of the potential audience, try to contact someone who can give you some idea as to the nature, attitudes, and expectations of your potential audience. Select and limit the subject. It may seem an obvious thing to do, but before you start writing your presentation, you must determine what precisely your topic will be and what topic area you plan to address. Once this is clear, you can begin scripting your presentation. Occasionally, you will find that your topic is actually too large or complex for the time available, and you may have to go back and review the specific topic you wish to address. Create a speech outline, opening, a body, and a conclusion. Appropriate presentation of your visual aids is essential in making sure that they are effective in helping to improve the engagement, memory, and comprehension of your audience. Of course, practice, practice, practice. In preparing your visual aids, you should consider these important components. Are your visual aids appropriate for your audience? Are your visual aids easy to understand and easy to read or view? Do you know what is on your visual aids, and can you present them effectively? Knowing your topic inside and out, back to front, is absolutely critical to giving a confident, successful presentation. As they say, knowledge is power. And the more you know, the more empowered you will feel. Research the topic and ensure you are familiar with and understand the content. Once you have researched the topic, create your presentation in a logical order to capture the audience's attention and maintain it throughout. You've been asked to present on a topic, and that makes you an expert. The fact that you know more about a particular topic and are informing others about it means you need to own it. Be confident in the fact that you have been asked to talk in front of an audience on a topic of which you are familiar. Once your presentation is complete, you need to start practicing it aloud in a private place. Practice it over and over until it sounds right and you are confident with the delivery. You can go the extra step and record yourself and review the presentation as an audience member. Refine and edit the presentation, as sometimes what seems good on paper does not translate well verbally. Refine and keep practicing until you feel like you have nailed it. This will boost your confidence tremendously. Speaking with passion and conviction captures an audience. Believing in what you are saying is key to nailing a presentation. Confidence is gained through experience, but conviction comes from believing in yourself and your words. Be true to yourself and speak to your audience in a manner that makes them want to listen. The topic for your oral presentation needs to be relevant to culinary arts, the culinary industry, something food related. Choose a topic you are already familiar with or a topic you want to learn more about. For example, discuss a specific food or specific ingredient like chocolate or popcorn. Perhaps a historical figure like Escoffier or Julia Child. Your presentation could focus on regional or global cuisine, like Chinese dumplings or handmade pasta or Moroccan tagine. What about food in the movies, like the movie Chef or Burnt or Ratatouille? Perhaps you could discuss principles of plate presentation or the history of food television like Food Network. I've attached a video that outlines how to use Zoom to record your presentation with PowerPoint as your visual aid platform. Good luck, and I look forward to reviewing your oral presentation.
That was awesome.